So the prerequisites for this course are that you should know the command line interface, and you should also know GitHub, and you should also have some programming experience, and you should also know the web, so you should know HTML and CSS, and maybe a little bit of JavaScript, and you should also know the Go programming language, so just the language fundamentals and how you use the language. And so you can check out my other two courses, HTML and CSS if you want to build up your skills in that area, how to create a website, an HTML tutorial and CSS tutorial. Don't be put off by this title if you're an experienced developer, because this course is great for beginners. It'll take you from zero to hero. If you go through the entire course, it's a crazily comprehensive and thorough course. Like crazy comprehensive. The outline for the course is 300 pages. That's the outline, right? But it's a thorough and detailed outline, but that's the outline. And we cover everything in there all the way up to the very best current modern practices, including Flexbox and SVGs, how to use SVGs. A lot of people aren't aware of that. And so HTML and CSS, that's rocking. And then we have Go programming, learn how to code, Google's Go programming language. So that's my other course where you can learn the language fundamentals. So those are the prereqs for this course. And if you aren't at that level yet, go check out the other stuff. And once you've learned that, come back here and you'll be good to go.